underscore 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 years. Answer B. 4 years. 2. In ancient times, Assam was known by the name of Answer. See Pragjyotisha 3. Which one of the following epics is considered as the highest source of the prehistory period of Assam? Answer C. Kalika Puran 4. Who was the earliest king of Pragjyotishpur? Answer B. Mahiranga Danava 5. Mahiranga was Sanskritized from Answer D. Mairong 6. What was the ancient name of Assam mentioned in Ramayana and Mahabharata? Answer C. Pragjyotishpura 4, 7. According to Ramayana, Amartyaraja was the founder of the kingdom of? Answer A. Pragjyotisha 8. Narakasura founded which dynasty? Answer D. Bhauma dynasty 9. Ghatakasura was killed by? Answer A. Narakasura 10. According to prehistory sources, the mother of Narakasura was Answer A. Dharitri 11. Ghatakasura was a ruler of the Answer B. Kirats 12. Who was killed by the first Naraka king Narakasura and established the Bhauma dynasty? Answer B. Ghatakasura 13. Name the two medieval texts that were compiled in the region of Assam. Answer B. Kalika Purana and Yogini Tantra 14. The tantric text, Yogini Tantra, is dedicated to the worship of two goddesses. One is Kali and the other one is? Answer B. Kamakhya 15. According to which of the following Purana the temple of Kamakhya was in the center of Kamarupa? Answer B. Kalika Purana 16. According to the Kalika Purana, Naraka, the mythological ancestor of the Vaman dynasty, was the son of? Answer A. Varaha form of Vishnu and Bhumi 17. Ranapit, Kampit, Swanapit and Somarpit were the four divisions of the ancient Kamrupa. Which of the following historical composition mentions about these four divisions? Answer A. Yogini Tantra 18. Hinduism was established in Pragjyotishpura by the king. Answer A. Narakash 19. Naraksh was killed by? 6. Answer B. Sri Krishna 20. Who killed Mura, the general of Narakasura? Answer B. Sri Krishna. Lord Krishna killed Mura, Narakasura's general. Thus Krishna is called Murari, the killer of Mura. 21. According to the epic Mahabharata, who ruled the Pragjyotishpura kingdom during the Kurukshetra war? Answer D. Bhagadatta 22. Which Kamrupa king took part in the battle of Kurukshetra, the Mahabharata war? Answer B. Bhagadatta 23. In the battle of Kurukshetra, Bhagadatta fought on the side of Answer A. Kauravas 24. What was the name of the elephant of Bhagadatta? Answer A. Supratika 25. What is the name of the power of Mahabharata which mentions the valor of Bhagadatta? 7. Answer C. Drona power, the book of Drona 26. Bhanumati, the daughter of Bhagadatta, was married to Answer C. Duryodhana 27. The Dighali Pukhuri in Guwahati is associated with Answer C. Bhagadatta 28. In Kurukshetra war, Bhagadatta was slain by Answer C. Arjuna 29. In ancient times, who was the king of Vidarbha? Answer A. Bhishmaka 30. Rukmini was the princess of Answer A. Kundal Nagar Sadhya 31. Rukmini was the daughter of Answer D. Bhishmaka 32. Who built Kundal Nagar on the bank of Kundal river? Answer B. Bhishmaka 33. In ancient times, Kundal Nagar was also known as Answer A. Bhishmaknagar 34. Asura kingdom, Sonatpur kingdom, was established by Answer D. Marichi 35. Who was the contemporary of Narakash in the Middle Assam? Answer D. Banasur 36. Sonatpur was the capital of which king? Answer B. Bana Raja 37. The father of Bana Raja was? Answer A. Bali 38. Tezpur was ruled by which of the following king when Sri Krishna came for the rescue of his grandson Anirudh? 9. Answer C. Ban Raja 39. According to the legends, Banasura, the powerful Asura king of Sonatpur, had Answer B. 1000 arms 40. Who was the daughter of Bana Raja? Answer A. Usha 41. Who married Usha, the daughter of Asura king Bana? Answer C. Anirudh 42. Who abducted Anirudh from Dwarka through supernatural powers and brought him to Usha? Answer D. Chitralekha 43. Anirudh was the grandson of? Answer C. Krishna 44. Usha, the daughter of Asura king Bana and Prince Anirudh, had a secret marriage called Answer D. Gandharva 45. Banasura, the king of Sonitpur, was a great devotee of Answer A. Shiva, Hara 46. Mahabhairab and Rudrapur temple of Tezpur was built in the reign of Answer D. Banasura 47. The Nagshankar temple is believed to be built by Answer D. Narshankar of Nagakha in the 4th century 48. The ancient city Bengmara is presently known as Answer C. Tinsukia 49. Which of the following is the most powerful and celebrated king of the ancient Pragjyotisha? Answer D. Narakasura 50. Which of the following is in the correct chronological order of the Danava dynasty? Answer D. Mahiranga, Sambarasura, Ratnasura, Ghatakasura. The earliest inhabitants of Assam? Answer A. Khasis 52. Which of the following was the chief weapon of war in ancient Assam? Answer B. Parsu 53. The character Chand Sadagar is found in the tale of Answer C. Bahula 54. Which of the following place was famous for astrology? Answer A. Pragjyotishpura 55. Assam was formerly known by the name of Answer B. Kamarupa 56. Which city is called the city of Eastern astrology? Answer A. Pragjyotishpur 12, 57. One of the following books is the most important literary source for the study of early history of Assam. Which is the book? APSC Prelims 2001. Answer C. The Kalika Purana 58. The earliest king of Assam was Answer A. Mahiranga Danava 59. The earliest historical dynasty of Assam was that of the Answer B. Vamans 60. The Burunjis are APSC Prelims 2013. Answer C. Chronicles Ancient History of Assam, 4th to 12th centuries CE, 61. In which century the ancient era of Assam began? Answer D. 4th century, 1362. The historical account of ancient Assam begins with the establishment of which dynasty? Answer B. Vaman dynasty 350 to 650, 63. Which of the following dynasty precedes the Vaman dynasty? Answer A. Bhauma dynasty 64. The ancient era of Assam history began in 4th century after the mention of Kamarupa in Answer A. Samudragupta's Allahabad pillar 65. In the Allahabad pillar inscription, Central Assam is mentioned as? Or which region of Assam is mentioned in the Allahabad pillar inscription? Answer A. Davakha 66. In the 4th century, which dynasty marked the beginning of ancient Assam? Answer B. Vaman dynasty 67. Who was the founder of the Vaman dynasty? Or the first known king to the Vaman dynasty was Answer C. Pushyavarman 1468. Pushyavarman established the Vaman dynasty in Answer A. 350 AD 69. The capital of Vaman dynasty of Kamarupa kingdom was Answer A. Pragjyotishpur 70. Which king of Vaman dynasty was contemporary of Samudragupta of Gupta dynasty? Answer B. Pushyavarman 71. What was the common language used in Kamarupa inscriptions? Answer D. Sanskrit 72. What was the official language of the Vaman dynasty? Answer B. Kamrupi Prakrit and Sanskrit 73. The earliest known historical ruler of Assam that was found about the middle or in the latter half of the 4th century? Answer A. Pushyavarman 74. Which of the following Vaman king was also known as Maharajadhirja? 15. Answer A. Pushyavarman 75. Which of the following Vaman king was defeated by Samudragupta in connection with the Ashwamedha sacrifice? Answer C. Balavaman 76. Which of the following princess of Kamarupa kingdom married King Meghavahana of the Gonanda dynasty of Kashmir? Answer C. Amritaprabha 77. Princess Amritaprabha, who married the prince of Kashmir Meghavahana, was the daughter of Answer A. Balavaman 78. The earlier Vamans were subordinates of the Answer A. Gupta Empire 79. Who was the first king from Assam to perform Ashwamedha yagna? Answer C. Mahendravarman 80. Which of the following Vaman king performed Ashwamedha or horse sacrifice to throw off the Gupta Empire? 16. Answer B. Mahendravarman 81. Which king of Pragjyotishpura had taken imperialist principles? Answer B. Mahendravarman 82. Which of the following Vaman king was said to have mastered the self and well versed in the philosophy of the Supreme Self? Answer A. Mahendravarman 83. The ruler of Vaman dynasty, Mahabhutavaman, was popularly known as Answer A. Bhutavaman 84. Who is the author of the biography Harsha Charita, where the Vaman king Mahabhutavaman is named as Bhutavaman? Answer B. Banabhatta 85. The ruler of Vaman dynasty, Susthitavaman, was renowned as Answer A. Shri Mriganka 86. The title Kumara Raja was given to answer B. Bhaskaravarman 87. Who was the contemporary of Bhaskaravarman in northern India? Answer B. Haswardhan 88. Which Kamarupa king established friendship with Harshvardhana? Answer B. Bhaskaravarman 89. Who was Hangsavega? Answer A. An ambassador of Vaman dynasty 90. Who was the ambassador sent by Bhaskaravarman to Harshavardhan? Answer B. Hangsavega 91. The presents that were sent by Bhaskar Vaman to Harshavardhan included archiving birds, B. Silver coins, C. Tigers' teeth, D. cane articles. Answer D. cane articles 92. Who was the composer and writer of the Nidhanpur copperplate inscription? Answer A. Vasuvama 1893. Which of the following archaeologists found the seal of Bhaskaravarman during the excavation of the ruins of Nalanda in 1917-1918? Answer C. Dr. David B. Spooner 94. What was the reason behind the issue of Nidhanpur grant by Bhaskaravarman? Answer A. Review the land grants of Bhutavaman 95. In ancient Kamrup, Brahmadeya, land was gifted to. Answer D. Brahmans 96. Bhaskar Vaman issued the famous Nidhanpur copperplate grant after the Battle of. Answer B. Karniswarna. Inscriptions. The defeat of Gauda king Shashanka by Bhaskaravarman can be traced? Answer A. Nidhanpur copperplate inscription 98. Nidhanpur copperplate inscription gives detailed accounts of. Answer D. Both A and B. 1999. Nidhanpur copperplate was issued by Bhaskaravarman to. Answer A. Brahmans 100. Which of the following is not a common language in the era of the Vaman dynasty? Answer B. Pali 101. Which of the following is the only Kamarupa dynasty's inscription that distinguishes between the B, Ba, and V, Ra, letters? Answer C. Nagajari Kahanikar Gaon rock inscription 102. Nagajari Khanikar Gaon rock inscription belongs to. Answer A. Vaman dynasty 103. Which one of the following is the earliest epigraphic source discovered in Assam? Answer D. The Umachal rock inscription 104. Which of the following is not related with the Vaman king Bhaskaravarman? Answer B. Parbatiya copperplate 105. Which one is correct about the Umachal rock inscription? Answer D. Both A and B 106. Hiuen Tsang visited Assam during the reign of. Answer D. Bhaskaravarman 107. Hiuen Tsang described which Kamrupa king as the aristocratic king of eastern India? Or Chinese pilgrim Hiuen Tsang referred to which king as the king of the northeast? Answer C. Bhaskaravarman 108. What is the name of the book that compares Bhaskaravarman with grandfather Bhishma? Answer B. Harshacharita 109. Who was the famous teacher of Nalanda on whose request and advice Chinese pilgrim Hiuen Tsang visited Kamarupa? Answer C. Silabhadra 110. When Tsang visited Assam in the year? Answer A. 640 AD in the reign of Bhaskaravarman 111. What is the name of the book of Hiuen Tsang that mentions about Kamarupa? Answer A. Cuk 112. The only gift Hiuen Tsang accepted from Bhaskaravarman was. Answer D. A cap. Answer C. Deva temples 114. The gift Yuan Chawang accepted from Bhaskaravarman was designed to protect one from an cold. What was it? Answer B. Holali, a cap of fur 115. According to Hiuen Tsang, the circumference of Kamarupa was? Answer C. 1700 miles 116. Hiuen Tsang described in his account that the circumference of Kamrupa was about? Answer A. 10,000 li, approx 1,700 miles 2,720 kilometers 117. Hiuen Tsang's account specially mentions two varieties of fruits as esteemed to the people of Kamarupa. What are these? Answer D. Jackfruits and coconuts 118. According to Hiuen Tsang, Bhaskaravarman by caste was. Answer A. Brahman 119. According to Hiuen Tsang, the people of Kamarupa were. Answer A. Short in height and of yellow complexion 120. On the accounts of Hiuen Tsang, which was the famous port in the Bay of Bengal that was under the control of Bhaskaravarman? Answer A. Tamralipti 121. The Tamralipti in ancient times was famous as? Answer C. Seaport 122. Which river was crossed by Chinese Buddhist monk Shanzang, Hiuen Tsang, before he entered Kamarupa kingdom? 123. Hiuen Tsang designated the rulers of the Vaman dynasty as? Answer A. Brahman 124. Nagarjari Kahanikar Gaon rock inscription belongs to the period of which dynasty? Answer D. Vaman dynasty 125. Who was the Kamarupa ruler who left his seal at Nalanda University? Answer: A. Bhaskaravarman 126. Bhaskaravarman attended the Great Religious Council at. Answer: C. Kannauj 127. Kumar Bhaskaravarman ruled in the _th century in Assam? Answer: A. 6th century. Bhaskaravarman 600 to 650, 128. Li Yipio visited Kamarupa during the reign of? Answer: D. Bhaskaravarman. Bhaskaravarman was visited by Shanzang and Li Yipio. 24, 129. Bhaskaravarman was a worshipper of Answer: A. Shiva 130. During Bhaskaravarman's reign, the major industry in Kamarupa was Answer: A. boat building 131. Which one of the following mentioned items was not sent as a gift from Bhaskaravarman to Harshvardhana? Answer: B. Elephants 132. Who among the following is regarded as the greatest of all Vaman kings? Answer: A. Bhaskaravarman 133. During the reign of Bhaskaravarman, who was in charge of the royal treasury of the kingdom? Answer: D. Bhandaragaradhikara 134. Which of the following Vaman king formed an alliance with the Makari dynasty to fight against the Gaur king? Answer: B. Susthitavaman 25, 135. Which of the following deities, goddess is mentioned in the Umachal rock inscription? Answer: B. Balarama 136. During the reign of which king, Devakha was absorbed with the Kamarupa kingdom? Answer: A. Kalyanvaman. 7. Which of the following is correct about the official language of the Vaman dynasty? Answer: C. Official language of Vaman dynasty was Kamrupi Prakrit and Sanskrit 138. Which king honored Bhaskaravarman at a conference held at Kannauj? Answer: B. Harshvardhan 139. Chinese pilgrim Huyen Tsang referred to which king as the latest king? Answer: D. Shashanka 140. Name the foreigner who recorded in his accounts that he came to Kamo Lupio. Answer: B. Huyen Tsang 26, 141. Who was the last king of the Vaman dynasty? The rule of the Vaman dynasty came to end with the death of. Answer: D. Bhaskaravarman 142. For how long the Vaman dynasty ruled in Assam? Answer: A. 350 CE to 650 CE 143. Which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the Vaman dynasty? Answer: C. Pushyavarman, Mahendravarman, Bhutavaman, Bhaskaravarman 144. Which of the following king of the Vaman dynasty was not related with Ashwamedha? Answer: C. Pushyavarman 145. The ruins of the brick temple at Daparbatiya are dedicated to which goddess? Answer: B. Shiva 146. Daparbatiya of Tezpur dates back to the. Answer: A. 6th century AD 147. The ruins of the brick temple at Daparbatiya belong to? Answer: D. Later Gupta period 148. The Tezpur Grant and Parbatiya plates were left by. Answer: B. Vanamala 149. After the fall of the Vaman dynasty, which of the following dynasties began their rule? Answer: C. Malecha dynasty 150. In the 7th century AD, who was the tribal leader to take over the throne of Kamarupa that was occupied by the princes of the line of Bhagaditta? Answer: C. Salastambha 151. Who established the Malecha dynasty in Kamarupa? Answer: B. Salastambha 152. In Mahabharat, the title Lord of the Malecha was given to. Answer: A. Salastambha 28, 153. The capital of the Salastambha dynasty, Malecha dynasty, was located at? Answer: C. Harupeshwar 154. Which king of the Salastambha dynasty acquitted himself as a virtuous ruler among all the kings of the Salastambha dynasty? Answer: C. Harsadeva 155. Hayungtal copper plate was issued by? Answer: B. Harjar Vaman 156. The large tank in Tezpur known as Hajara Pukhuri was excavated by whom? Answer: C. Harjar Vaman 157. Harjar Vaman's 9-line inscription is located near. Answer: A. Tezpur 158. The first epigraphic note of Kamakhya found in the 9th century was. Answer: C. Tezpur plates of Vanamalavarma 29, 159. Alabari copper plates, Uttar Barbil and the Naugong grants are the records belonging to the reign of. Answer: C. Balavaman E. 160. Which of the following animal was used as the royal symbol of the ancient kings of Kamarupa? Answer: B. Elephant 161. The earliest Kamakhya temple was constructed during the reign of. Answer: C. Malecha dynasty 162. The Mleccha dynasty ruled Kamarupa around answer B 650 AD to 900 AD 163. Who was the last ruler of Mleccha dynasty? Answer D Tyagasimha 164. After the fall of the Salastamabha dynasty, which of the following dynasties ruled Kamarupa? Answer B. The Palas 165. In which century the Pala dynasty came into existence? 30. Answer C. 9th century 166. The first king of the Pala dynasty in Kamrup was? Answer D. Brahmapala 167. What was the capital of the Pala dynasty? Answer C. Durjaya 168. Gachtal copper plate contains the genealogy of which of the following dynasties? Answer D. Pala dynasty of Kamarupa 169. Which Pala king built Sri Durjaya as the capital on the bank of the Brahmaputra? Answer D. Ratnapala 170. Hayagriva Madhab temple was first built by? Answer C. Palas 171. Who was the greatest king of the Pala dynasty of Kamarupa? 172. Madan Kamdev's sculpture reflected the work of answer D. Pala dynasty of Kamarupa 173. Which Gauda king invaded the Pala dynasty of the Kamrupa kingdom? Answer D. Ramapala 174. The Pala dynasty came to an end when Kamarupa was invaded by the Gaur king. Answer A. Ramapala 175. Who was the last ruler of the Pala dynasty? Answer D. Jaipala 176. In ancient times the big merchants of Assam were generally from the community of Answer B. Kalitas 177. Which one of the following animals was widely used in wars in ancient Assam? Answer C. Elephant 178. What was the staple crop in ancient Assam? Answer C. Rice 179. Urvashi Island, which lies in the midst of the Brahmaputra river in Assam, was installed around Answer A. 9th-10th century 180. What was the ancient name of Kachar? Answer A. Hidimba 181. In ancient times, what was the oldest, largest and busiest place in northeast India? Answer A. Pragjotishpura. APSC Prelims Previous Year Questions from Ancient History of Assam, 4th to 12th century CE, 182. Hiren Sang visited Assam, Kamarupa, in 640 CE. He was received by the king. APSC Prelims 2017. Answer B. Kumar Bhaskara Baman. When did the medieval era begin in Assam history? Answer C. Attacks from the Bengal Sultanate 184. When did the medieval era of Assam begin with the Turco-Afghan attacks? Answer D. 1206-185. Who was the first Muslim invader in Assam? Answer B. Bakhtiyar Khilji 186. Bakhtiyar Khilji was a military general of the Answer A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak 187. The first Mohammedan invasion of Kamrupa took place during the reign of King Answer C. Prithu 34-188. Who was the king of Kamarupa during the invasion of Mahmud Shah, the son of Iltutmish? Answer A. Prithu. In 1228, Nasiruddin attacked and killed Raja Prithu, a ruler in Kamarupa, reigned 1185 to 1228. 189. The first Islamic invasion to Assam was led by? Answer A. Bakhtiyar Khilji. The attack can be known from the Kani Varasiboa rock inscription 190. Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khilji attacked Kamrupa on his way to Answer D. Tibet 191. The first local men from the Mek tribe to accept Islam during the invitation Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khilji? Answer B. Ali Mek 192. Who was the founder of Ahom kingdom? Answer A. Sukfa 193. The Ahoms originally came from Answer A. Maung Mao 35-194. The Ahoms entered Assam through Answer B. Patkai range 195. Sukfa is said to have marched through which pass of Patkai ranges of hills? Answer B. Pingso Pass 196. Sukfa left his capital of Maung Mao in the year Answer A. 1215 CE 197. No two tigers live in the same jungle. No two kings sit on the same throne. Who told the above mentioned lines to Sukfa? Answer C. Sukfa's grandmother 198. The Ahoms entered the Brahmaputra valley in the year Answer C. 1228 AD 199. Which one of the following was not brought by Sukfa when he entered Brahmaputra valley? Answer B. A divine horse 36-200. When did Sukfa, the first Ahom king, enter Assam and established the Ahom kingdom? Answer B. 1228 AD 201. Who named his small kingdom in Brahmaputra valley Mung Dun Sun Kam? Answer A. Sukfa 202. By what name are the Ahom chronicles known? Answer B. Burangi 203. Who introduced the Burangi written in Assam? Answer A. Ahoms 204. Which of the following Ahom king introduced the Burangi written in Assam? Answer C. Sukfa, the first Ahom king, 205. In which language Burunjis were first compiled? Answer D. Ahom 37, 206. What is the literal meaning of the word Burangi? Answer B. A store that teaches the ignorant, 207. The Burunjis of the Ahoms were written on the bark of Answer B. Sanchi tree or aloe wood, 208. What was the title used to address the Ahom kings? Answer D. Swargadeo 209. The kings of Ahom dynasty claimed their divine origin from Answer B. Lord Indra 210. The chief queen of Ahom kings is known as Answer A. Bor Kuvri 211. In which year Sukfa built the Ahom capital at Karedeo? Answer C. 1253-212. Which one was the first capital of the Ahom kingdom in Assam? Answer B. Karedeo 213. Who was the king of Marans when Sukfa came to Assam? Answer A. Badosa 214. The positions Buragohain and Borgohain existed from the time of which Ahom king? Answer A. Sukfa 215. In which year did Sukfa die? Answer B. 1268 AD 216. According to Ahom tradition, Sukfa was a descendant of the god Answer D. Kunling 217. The Ahoms divided themselves into the rulers and the ruled with the formal delineation from the reign of Answer D. Sabinfa 1281-1293, the third king of the Ahom kingdom, 218. Who delineated the Sadgharia Ahong, the Ahong aristocracy of the seven houses? Answer D. Sabinfa 1281-1293, the third king of the Ahom kingdom, 219. Consider the following statements. 1. Sabinfa, the third Ahom king, delineated the Sadgharia Ahong, the Ahong aristocracy of the seven houses. 2. Of this, the first lineage was that of the king. 3. The next two were the lineages of the Burhagohain and the Borgohain. 4. The last four were priestly lineages. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer D. All 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. 220. Who was the king during the first war of Ahong against a powerful kingdom called Kamata? Answer D. Sukhangfa 221. Who established the position of Charing Raja? Answer D. Sukhangfa 222. During the Ahom period in Assam, the heirs apparent to the throne were appointed as Answer C. Charing Raja 223. Who was the first ruler of the Kamata kingdom? Answer A. Sandhya 1250-1270. 224. Which king of the Kamata kingdom took the title Kamateshwar for the first time? Answer A. Sandhya 225. The Kamata kingdom was attacked by Muhammad bin Tughlaq during the reign of which Kamata king? Answer D. Durlabh Narayan 226. Famous Kamrupi poet Hema Saraswati was a court poet of which king? Answer D. Durlabh Narayan 227. Hema Saraswati and Harihar Bipra enjoyed the patronage of? Answer D. Durlabh Narayana 228. What was the similarity among Hem Saraswati, Kaviratna Saraswati and Harihar Bipra? Answer B. All were Kamrupi poets. 229. The well-known Kamrupi poet of 16th century Chandrahati lived at Answer D. North Guwahati, 41, 230. Sikandar Shah attacked the Kamata kingdom in the year Answer A. 1362-231. Sikandar Shah attacked Kamata kingdom during the reign of the Kamata king, Answer A. Indranarayan 1350-1365, 232. Jongal Bolohu was the son of which king? Answer B. Arimetta 1365-1385, 233. After Sutufa's death, who carried on the Ahom's administration for 4 years? Answer A. Burhagohain and Borgohain 234. During 1376-1380 AD, the Borgohain and Buragohain carried on the administration. Who was the next Ahom king after them? Answer D. Tiao Khamti 235. What were the burial mounds of Ahom royalty called? Answer B. Mua Dam 236. Maidams are shaped like 42. Answer A. Pyramids 237. Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in Answer B. 14th century 238. Which Ahom king was popularly known as Bamuni Komwar? Answer A. Sudangfa 239. Why Sudangfa was called Bamuni Raja? Answer. C. He was brought up in a Brahmin family. 240. Which Ahom king made the capital at Chaguya near the Deing River? Answer. A. Sudangfa. 241. The traditional Thai Ahom coronation ceremony of kings was known as Answer. D. Singari Gharitha. 242. Which of the following Ahom king initiated the Singari Gharitha ceremony? 43. Answer. B. Sudangfa. The Singari Gharitha ceremony was first observed by the Ahom king Sudangfa, popularly known as Bamuni Komvar. Sudangfa came to the throne in 1397 CE. 243. Which of the following Ahom king was the first to observe the Singari Gharitha ceremony? Answer. A. Sudangfa. 244. In the Singari Gharitha ceremony of Ahom kings, two people were exiled far from the capital as it was believed that all the evil or ill omens of the new kings and queens will leave with them. Such people were called as Answer. B. Nusa Jua. 245. Ahom coronation hall called Singari Ghar was constructed of Answer. D. Wood of Singari tree. 246. During the reign of which king Hinduism marked the first stage of growth in the Ahom dynasty? Answer. A. Sudangfa. 247. Which dynasty used a dragon engraved throne in Assam? Answer. B. Ahoms. 248. Who brought the technology of wet rice cultivation in Assam? 44. Answer. B. Ahoms. 249. Which of the following clans performed the traditional rites and rituals during Ahom reign? Answer. A. Deodhai and Bailings. 250. In Ahom kingdom the Deodhai refers to Answer. C. Priest. 251. When did first Ahom Kachari battle take place? Answer. B. 1490-252. The first Ahom Kachari battle took place during the reign of Answer. D. Suanfa. 253. Who was the founder of the Kane dynasty? Answer. A. Niladhwaj. 1440-1460, 254. Who defeated the Kane ruler Nilambar in 1498? Answer. D. Alauddin Hussain Shah. 255. Which of the following ruler of Bengal removed the last king of Kamata kingdom? Answer. C. Alauddin Hussain Shah. 256. Ghiyasuddin Auliya associated with Answer. A. Pau Makkah of Haho. 257. The Kani Barasi rock inscription is near Answer. D. Manikaneshwar temple. 258. The Kani Barasi rock inscription near Manikaneshwar hill was written in Answer. B. Assamese language. 259. Who was the last ruler of the Kane dynasty? Answer. C. Nilambar. 1480-1498, 260. Who was referred to as Dihingja Raja? Answer. A. Suhungmung. 1497-1539, 46, 261. King Suhungmung was also called Dihingja Raja because Answer. C. He shifted Ahom capital to Bakta, near the bank of the Deing River. 262. Which of the following Ahom king was the first to adopt the title Swarganarayan? Answer. A. Suhungmung or Dihingja Raja. 263. Which of the following Ahom king accepted the non-Ahom title Swarganarayan for the first time? Answer. C. Suhungmung or Dihingja Raja. 264. Which Ahom Swargadeo created the post of the Borpatra Gohaing? Answer. A. Suhungmung. 265. Which of the following Ahom king conducted the first organized population census? Answer. B. Suhungmung. 266. Who was the first Borpatra Gohaing? Answer. D. Kancheng Borpatro Gohaing. 267. Which of the following region was administered by Borpatro Gohaing? Answer. C. Dafla Hills to Brahmaputra River. 268. The post of Sadyakhova Gohaing was created during the reign of Ahom king? Answer. A. Swargadeo Suhungmung. 269. The Ahoms first used the Saka era during the reign of Answer. A. Suhungmung. 270. Which of the Ahom king joined the Chutia kingdom into Ahom territory? Answer. B. Dihingja Raja. 271. The Chutia kingdom was annexed by the Ahoms during the reign of Answer. D. Suhungmung. 272. When did the first Muslim invasion of Ahom kingdom occur? Answer. B. 1527, 48, 273. The first Muslim invasion of Ahom kingdom occurred during the reign of Answer. B. Suhungmung. 274. Who defeated Kachris in 1531 AD? Answer. B. Suhungmung. 275. A major part of the Kachari kingdom was occupied by the Ahoms during the reign of which of the following king? Answer. D. Suhungmung. 276. Which Ahom ruler was the first to turn the Kachari king as Thapitar and Sanchita? Answer: A. Suhungmung 277. The brave Ahong General Phrasingming was appointed as the first. Answer: A. Sadia Khowa Gohaing 278. Sadia Khowa Gohaing was A _____. Answer: C. Frontier officer Sadia Khowa Gohaing, based in Sadia, administered the Sadia region that was acquired after the conquest of the Chutia kingdom in 1524, 49, 279. Who was Mula Gabharu? Answer: A wife of Phrasingming Borgohain 280. Mula Gabharu, the brave wife of Phrasingming, died fighting against. Answer: A Turbak Khan 281. In which war Mula Gabharu died fighting against Turbak Khan? Answer: A. In the third attack of Muslims 282. Mula Gabharu died in the year. Answer: C. 1532-283. The Ahoms used firearms for the first time in the battle against Muslims during the reign of Suhungmung 284. The Ahoms used gunpowder for the first time in the battle against. Answer: A. Turbak in 1532-285. Ahoms learned the use of gunpowder from the. Answer: A. Chutias 286. According to Ahong Buranji, where are the heads of Turbak Khan and Hussain Khan entombed? Answer: D. Karadeo 287. Which of the following is incorrect in the case of Suhungmung's death? Answer: D. It was suspected that Suhungmung's wife was responsible for the death. 288. Which of the following Chutia king shifted capital from Ratnapur, Majuli, to Sadia? Answer: C. Ratnadhwajapal 289. Who was the founder of the Chutia kingdom? Answer: B. Birpal 1187-1210, 290. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer: B. He built the first capital of the Chutia kingdom at Sadia 291. What was the first capital of the Chutia kingdom? Answer: D. Swarnagiri 1187-1225, 292. What was the permanent capital of the Chutia kingdom? Answer: D. Sadia 293. Which Chutia king built Sadia? Answer: D. Ratnadhwajapal 294. The name of the city of Sindhu Khetra was changed to Sadia for the death of a prince. He was the son of a. Answer: B. Chutia king 295. The original language of the Chutias is known as. Answer: D. Tibeto-Burman language 296. The temple of Tamreshwari Mai built by the Chutia king was dedicated to. Answer: B. The goddess of Tamreshwari 297. Who were the first people in Assam to use firearms? Answer: A. The Chutias 298. Consider the following statements. 1. The Chutias were the first people in Assam to use firearms. 2. Ahoms learned the use of gunpowder from the Chutias. 3. During Ahom reign all the Hiloidari cannonmen and most of the Hiloi Kahanikars, gunmakers, belonged to the Chutia community. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer: D. 1, 2 and 3299. After which war the Chutia kingdom was annexed to the Ahom territory? Answer: C. Battle of Mathudang 300. Who was the last ruler of the Chutia kingdom? Answer: A. Nityapal, 1522-1524, 301. Sadhani was the last queen of which dynasty? Answer: B. Chutia dynasty 302. Which one is correct about Sati Sadhani? Answer: C. She was the wife of the last Chutia king Nityapal 303. Khaspur was the capital of. Answer: A. Kachris 304. Who was the first Kachari king at Khaspur, Kachha? Answer: D. Harishchandra 305. The ruins of Bhishmaknagar belongs to which dynasty? Answer: C. Chutia kingdom 306. The Kachari king to assume the title Pratap Narayan after defeating the Ahoms was Naswa, A. Indra Narayan 307. Who was the last king of Kachha? Answer: D. Gobinda Chandra Narayan Hasnu 308. The last capital of Kachari kings was at. Answer: B. Khaspur 309. Dimapur was the capital of the. Answer: A. Kachari kings 310. What was the usual shape of the Kachari coin? Answer: B. Round. 311. Which dynasty made their capital at Mibong? Answer: C. Kachris 312. Thapita Sanchita, the term used by Ahoms to the. Answer: C. Kachari kings 313. Which Ahom king was called as Gadgi Roja in the Buranjis? Answer: A. Suklinmung 314. Which of the following Ahom king introduced the coin system? Answer: A. Suklinmung or Gadgi Raja 315. Which of the following Ahom king excavated the Gadgao tank, Pukhuri, and constructed the Nagar Ali? Answer A. Suklinmung or Gardgi Raja 316. Which one is incorrect about the coins issued during the Ahom dynasty? 55. Answer C. Gadadhar Singha was the first king to introduce coins. 317. Which king of Ahom dynasty known as Khora Roja? Answer C. Sukhemfa 318. Which king of Ahom kingdom ruled for a period of 51 years, the longest in the history of Ahom dynasty? Answer C. Sukhemfa 319. Who was the first king of the Koch dynasty? Answer C. Biswa Singha 1515 to 1540 320. Biswa Singha was earlier called as Answer A. Bisu 321. Who was the progenitor of the Koch kingdom? Answer A. Hariya Mandal 322. Who was the father of King Biswa Singha? Answer C. Hariya Mandal 323. Hariya Mandal, the father of the first Koch king Biswa Singha, originates from which village of Golpara district? Answer D. Chiknabri, Chikengram 324. Who moved his seat of power from Chikvna to Kamatapur and declared himself the ruler of Kamata kingdom? Answer C. Biswa Singha 325. The capital of Koch kingdom was at Answer A. Koch Behar 326. Who created positions for 12 ministers called Karjis, chiefs of different tribal groups? Answer C. Biswa Singha 327. In the Sanskrit inscription, the name of Narnarayan is mentioned as Answer A. Malladeva 328. In which year Malladev, Narnarayan, ascended the throne and acquired the title Narayan? Answer C. 1540329. The Gohaing Kamal Ali Road was constructed during the reign of Answer A. Nara Narayan 330. The coinage of the Koch kingdom was called Answer B. Narayani 331. What was the usual shape of Koch coins? Answer B. Round 332. Which one among the Koch kings introduced silver coins in ancient Assam? Answer B. Narnarayan 333. Who introduced silver coins named Narayani during his rule? Answer B. Narnarayan 334. The language used in the inscriptions of the Koch kings was Answer A. Sanskrit 58 335. Which one of the following is correct about the coins during the time of Koch dynasty? Answer B. Nara Narayan introduced round-shaped silver called Narayani. 336. The Gohaing Kamal Ali built during the reign of Narnarayan runs from Answer A. Koch Behar to Narayanpur 337. Consider the following statements. 1. Gohaing Kamal Ali was a road that connected the capital of the Koch kingdom and Narayanpur to. This was constructed under the supervision of Gohaing Kamal, the step-brother of Nara Narayan III. This was constructed in secret to establish a camp at Narayanpur. Which of the statements given above as are correct? Answer D. 1, 2 and 3338. Srimanta Sankardeva was born in the year Answer B. 1449-339. When Srimanta Sankardeva fled the Ahom kingdom, he was given shelter by Answer A. Narnarayan 340. Srimanta Sankardeva was able to establish Ek Saran Nam Dharma during the reign of Answer C. Narnarayan 341. Dasya Bhab was adopted by Answer C. Sankardev 342. Under whose guidance the Vrindavani Vastra was woven by Assamese weavers? Answer A. Sankardev 343. Chandibar was the great-grandfather of whom? Answer B. Sankardeva 344. What was the name of Sankardeva's grandmother? Answer D. Khersuti 345. What was the name of the Muslim tailor who became a disciple of Sankardev at Koch Bihar? Answer C. Chindzai 346. Srimanta Sankardev was a descendant of which of the following king of Kannauj? Answer C. Kandavara 347. Who was the guru of Sankardeva? Answer C. Mahendra Kandali 348. When did the Neo-Vaishnavite movement of Sankardeva take place in Assam? Answer B. 16th century 349. Sutras came into existence. Answer A. After the death of Sankardeva 350. Mahapurushya Sutra was originated from Answer B. Madhavdeva. 1. Who wrote Janma Rahasya by following the request of Kamalapriya, the wife of Chilarai? Answer B. Madhavdeva 352. The school at Banduka where Madhavdeva studied was taught and maintained by Answer A. Mukunda Adhyapaka 353. Who was the founder of Mayamara Sutra? Answer D. Aniruddhadeva 354. By what name Syed Shah Milan is popularly known in Assam? Answer B. Ajan Fakir 355. The Treaty of Majuli was the outcome of which conflict? Answer: A. Ahom and Koch 356. The Ahoms signed which treaty with the Koch? Answer: B. Treaty of Majuli 357. Treaty of Majuli was signed between Answer: D. Koch and Ahoms 358. Treaty of Majuli was signed between Answer: D. Naranarayan and Swargadyu Sukhamfa 359. Treaty of Majuli was signed between Narnarayan and Sukhamfa in 62, Answer: A. 1563-360. In which year Chilarai managed to occupy the capital of Ahom, Gagaon? Answer: D. 1563-361. Which of the following Ahom kings signed the Treaty of Majuli with the Koch king Narnarayan? Answer: D. Sukhamfa 362. The Subansiri River was fixed as the boundary between the Ahoms and Koch kingdoms by Answer: B. Treaty of Majuli 363. The oldest canon inscription discovered in Assam belonged to which dynasty? A. Answer: C. Koch dynasty 364. Which among the following Koch king rebuilt the Kamakhya temple? Answer: B. Naranarayan 63-365. The original Kamakhya temple was destroyed during Muslim invasion in the early 16th century. In which year the present temple of Kamakhya was rebuilt by the king Narnarayan? Answer: B. 1565 AD 366. Sukladhwaj was popularly known as Answer: A. Chilarai 367. Who was nicknamed as Kite King for skillful and swift military operations? Answer: A. Sukladhwaj 368. Who was appointed as Yuvaraj, somewhat akin to Prime Minister, and the Commander-in-Chief of the military in the reign of Narnarayan? Answer: A. Sukladhwaj 369. What was the real name of Chilarai? Answer: C. Shukladhwaj 370. Who was Bakul Kayastha? Answer: A. A mathematician from Kamarupa 64-371. Who wrote Kitabat Manjari and Leelavati, the two masterpieces in the field of mathematics? Answer: C. Bakul Kayastha 372. Who wrote the Prayogaratnamala, a treatise on Sanskrit grammar? Answer: D. Purushottam Vidyavagish 373. Who requested Ram Saraswati to translate the verses from the Mahabharata? Answer: C. Chilarai 374. Who is YHE author of Badakabya? Answer: C. Ram Saraswati 375. Who was known as the Vikramaditya of Kamarupa? Answer: C. Narnarayan 376. The Koch dynasty reached its peak under the reign of Answer: A. Narnarayan 377. Who was the greatest king of the Koch dynasty? Answer: B. Narnarayan 378. Which one is correct about the dynastic title, Narayan, of the Koch kings? Answer: C. Malladev, also known as Naranarayan, acquired the title, Narayan, after his father's death, and the title became the dynastic title of his succeeding kings. 379. In 1585 Koch kingdom was visited by an English traveller. What was his name? Answer: B. Ralph Fitch 380. In which year King Narnarayan died? Answer: A. 1587-381. After the death of Narnarayan, Koch kingdom was divided in two parts. One is Koch Behar. What was the name of another part? Answer: C. Koch Haho 382. Raghudev declared independence of Koch Haho, after the death of which Koch king? Answer: A. Narnarayan 383. Raghudeva was the son of Answer: B. Chilarai 384. Who rebuilt the Hayagriva Madhava temple at Haho? Answer: Raghudeva 385. Parikshit Narayan was the ruler of Answer: C. Koch Haho 386. When did Koch Bihar become a Mughal vassal? Answer: C. 1609-387. Darang Desh was governed by Answer: B. Darangi Raja 388. Rajopakhayan by Mushi Jainath Ghosh is a chronicle of the Answer: A. Koch 389. The oldest canon inscriptions discovered in Assam belong to which dynasty? 67. Answer: C. Koch 390. Which one among the following was not a ruler of Koch Haho? Answer: C. Virajdendra Narayan. (391). The Ahom-Mughal conflict started during the reign of Answer: B. Pratap Singha, Susingfa R. 1603-1641, 392. Name of the Ahom king who married the Koch princess Mangola Devi? or Princess Mangola Devi, Mangal-doi, the daughter of Koch King Raghudev was offered to the Ahom monarch. Answer, C. Pratap Singha, Susingpha, 393. Who established alliance with the Koch Haho rulers by marrying Mangaldahi, the daughter of Parikshit Narayan? Answer, B. Pratap Singha, 394. Which of the following Ahom king was also known as Barha Roja? Answer, B. Pratap Singha, Susingpha, 395. Among the following who was known as Buddhi Swarganarayan? 68. Answer, B. Pratap Singha, 396. When did the Mughals attack Ahom kingdom for the first time? Answer, D. 1615-397. Name the place where the first battle between the Ahoms and the Mughals was fought. Answer, B. Bharali, 398. Which of the following Ahom king built the temple Chandika at Chaigaon? Answer, B. Pratap Singha, 399. The royal officer, Bofukan, was added to the administration system of the Ahom kingdom by which of the following king? Answer, A. Pratap Singha, 400. Which of the following Ahom kings subjugated the Adi Bhuyan or the eastern group of Bhuyans? Answer, B. Pratap Singha, 69, 401. Which of the following Ahom king crushed the rebellion of the Baro Bhuyans? Answer, A. Pratap Singha, 402. In the middle of the 13th century, there was the rise of a petty chief, known as Ansar, C. Baro Bhuyans, 403. The title Bhuyan was used to refer to Ansar, D. landlord or chieftain, 404. Which of the following region was administered by Solal Gohain? Answer, B. Nagon and part of Charidwar, 405. The Borbaruar and Bofukan positions were created during the rule of which of the following king? Answer, C. Pratap Singha, 406. Who was the first Borbaruar of Ahom kingdom? Answer, C. Momai Tamuli, 407. The Babarwa acted as 70. Answer, C. Chief Executive Officer of the Ahom kingdom, 408. Who made weaving compulsory during the reign of the Ahom dynasty? Answer, B. Momai Tamuli Borbarua, 409. Who designed the macho structure of the pack system? Answer, D. Momai Tamuli Borbarua, 410. Which one is incorrect about the pack system? Answer, D. Lichid Bofukan was the first to reorganize packs based on specific services. 411. Under which of the following Ahom king, the pack system was reorganized as a professional keel system, replacing the old kinship-based Foyt system? Answer, A. Pratap Singha, 412. The packs during Ahom reign were also called as Ansar, C. Foot soldiers, 71, 413. Who were the Chamua pack in the pack system of Ahom kingdom? Answer, B. Who rendered non-manual service and had a higher social standing. 414. Which Ahom king introduced the Posa system? Answer, A. Pratap Singha, 415. The Posa system referred to Answer, D. Tribal appeasement policy, 416. Which of the officials was appointed by the Ahom king Pratap Singha, that were the negotiator of Posa with the hill tribes? A. Answer, Ekatakis, 417. Which Ahom king created the post of the Bofukan for the first time? A. Answer, C. Pratap Singha, 418. Bofukan was the governor of Ansar, A. Kamarupa, 419. Borboruar and Bofukan title was given to Ansar, B. royal officers, 420. Who was the first Bofukan of the Ahom kingdom? Asnver, B. Langi Panasingja Bofukan, 421. When was the Treaty of Asurar Ali signed? Answer, B. 1639-422. Treaty of Asurar Ali was signed between Ansar, C. Mughal kingdom and Ahom kingdom, 423. Who represented Ahom kingdom for the Treaty of Asurar Ali? Answer, A. Momai Tamuli Borbarua, 424. Choose the correct one in reference to the Treaty of Asurar Ali. Answer, C. Mughal Faujdar Allah Yar Khan and the Ahom commander Momai Tamuli Borbarua signed the treaty. 425. Who among the following was known as an economist and a social reformer during the Ahom reign? Answer, D. Momai Tamuli Borbarua, 426. Which king was also known by the name of Bhogaraja? Answer, B. Surampha, Jayaditya Singha, 1641-1644, 427. Which king was also known as Naurya Roja? Answer, B. Sutingpha, 1644-1648, 428. Who among the following was the first Ahom ruler to officially accept Hinduism? Answer, B. Jedwad Singha, 429. Oniati Satra and Dakhamp Satra was established by Answer, B. Jedwad Singha, 430. The earliest Ahom coins so far discovered were issued by Answer, A. Jedwad Singha, 431. Who was the king of the Ahom dynasty during the attack of Mir Jumla? Answer A. Jedwad Singha, King Sutamla. 431. Who was the king of the Ahom dynasty during the attack of Mir Jumla? Answer A. Jedwad Singha, King Sutamla. 432. Which Mughal general invaded Ahom kingdom and occupied Gagaon? Answer A. Mir Jumla. 433. Mir Jumla, who occupied Ahom capital Gagaon, was a governor under Answer C. Aurangzeb. 434. Which general was deputed by Aurangzeb to capture Assam? Answer B. Mir Jumla. 435. Which historian came along with Mir Jumla? Answer A. Shihabuddin Talish. 436. The Persian chronicle Fathia-i-Ibriya was compiled by Answer D. Sahibuddin Talish. 437. Which of the following was known as Bhaganiya Roja? Answer A. Jedwad Singha, King Sutamla. 438. Treaty of Ghiladharighat was signed in the year 75. Answer B. 1663-439. In January 1663, the Treaty of Ghiladharighat was signed by Homs with the Mughal commander. Answer B. Mir Jumla. 440. Treaty of Ghiladharighat was signed between Answer A. Jedwad Singha and Mir Jumla. 441. Who was the only daughter of Swargadeo Jedwad Singha? Answer D. Rehmat Banu Begum. 442. According to which treaty Ahom king Jedwad Singh sent to his daughter to the Mughal Empire as a reward of war? Answer D. Treaty of Ghilzharighat. 443. According to Treaty of Ghilzharighat, Swargadeo Jedwad Singha sent his daughter to the Mughal Empire. What was the name of his daughter? Answer A. Ramani Gabharu, Rehmat Banu Begum. 444. Which treaty marked the end of the Mir Jumla's occupation in the Ahom capital Gagaon? 76. Answer D. Treaty of Ghilzharighat. The Treaty of Ghilzharighat, Tipam, was signed between the Ahoms and the Mughal forces led by Mir Jumla on January 23, 1663. The treaty brought Mir Jumla's occupation of the Ahom capital, Gadgaon, to an end. 445. The Battle of Alaboy was fought in Answer C. 1669-446. During whose reign was the Battle of Alaboy fought? Answer A. Chakradhavad Singha. 447. The Battle of Alaboy was fought between Answer A. Assamese soldiers and Mughals. 448. Who founded the Damdang Gurudwara at Dhubri in 1669? Answer A. Guru Tegh Bahadur. 449. Who selected Lachit Barphukan as the commander-in-chief to lead the Ahom army against the Mughals? Answer A. Chakradhavad Singha. 450. The Battle of Sareghat was fought in the year 77. Answer C. 1671-451. The Battle of Sareghat was fought between Answer B. the Ahoms and Mughals. 452. Who was the Ahom king during the Great Battle of Sareghat in 1671 AD? Answer B. Udayaditya Singha. 453. The real name of Udayaditya Singha was Answer B. Maju Gohaing. 454. In the Battle of Sareghat 1671, the Ahom army was commanded by Answer A. Lachit Barphukan. 455. Who was the second person to lead the Battle of Sareghat next to Lachit Barphukan? Answer B. Atam Burhagohaing. 456. Which Burhagohaing himself rejected the offer of becoming Ahom king on 2 occasions? Answer A. Atam Burhagohaing. 457. Who was in charge of the northern division of Ahom army in the Battle of Sareghat? Answer B. Atam Burhagohaing. 458. In which year Lachit Barphukan was born? Answer B. 1622-459. Who was the father of Lachit Barphukan? Answer A. Momai Tamuli Borbarua. Lachit was born on the 24th of November 1622 to Tai Ahom father Momai Tamuli Borbarua and mother Kunti Maran in Gagaon, present-day Sivasagar. 460. Who is known as the Shivaji of Assam? Answer A. Lachit Barphukan. 461. In the Battle of Sareghat 1671, the Ahom army was commanded by Lachit Barphukan. Who was the commander of the Mughals? Or who was the leader of the Mughal army in the Battle of Sareghat? Answer C. Ram Singh. 462. Who was the astrologer of Lachit Barphukan? 79. Answer A. Achyutananda Doloi. 463. Who was the Prime Minister of Ahom Kingdom during the Battle of Answer A. Atam Borgohain. 464. Who said this? It is a tragedy that my country is facing this dire catastrophe during my Phukanship. How will my king be saved? How will my people be saved? And how will my posterity be saved? Answer. A. Lichid Bafukan 465. Where is the Maidam of Lichid Bafukan located? Answer. C. Jorhat, Nora Hiloidari village, 466. Which king was commonly known as Parvatiya Raja? Answer. A. Pseudo-Ifa 467. The town of Boka was built during the reign of Answer. A. Pseudo-Ifa 468. Who surrendered Lower Assam and Guwahati in favor of the Mughals? Answer. B. Laluk Sola Bofukan 469. Who offered Laluk Sola Bofukan a sum of 4 lakh rupees for handing over Guwahati to the Mughals? Answer. D. Azamtara 470. Who among the following became famous in history of Assam as Laura Raja? Answer. B. Sulikfa. 471. What was the Hindu name of Sulikfa, Laura Raja? Answer. D. Ratnadhwaj Singha 472. Which Ahom king established the norm that an Ahom prince had to be free from any physical disability, defects or deformities to become a king? Answer. D. Ratnadhwaj Singha, Laura Raja 473. The only recorded work constructed during the reign of Laura Raja was Answer. B. Dauki Ali 474. Laura Raja was guided and backed by which of the following Satra? Answer. A. Dakhamp Satra 475. In 1680, who was assassinated by Bhote Dekasakia, Aghom Kachari and Madhan Tamuli? Answer. B. Laluk Sola Bofukan 476. Who was the Rajmantri Fukan, a prime minister during the reign of Sulikfa? Answer. B. Laluk Sola Bofukan 477. Who began a campaign to inflict wounds on Ahom princes who were eligible for the throne? Answer. B. Laluk Sola Bofukan 478. Consider the following statements. 1. Laluk Bofukan was appointed as Bofukan by Udayaditya Singha. 2. Sulikfa was only 14 years old when he was made the king of the Ahom kingdom by Laluk Sola Bofukan. 3. Most of the atrocities committed during the reign of Laura Raja were done by the orders of Laluk Sola Bofukan. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer. D. 1, 2 and 3479. Joymoti Kovari was tortured and killed by the henchmen of Answer. B. Sulikfa and Laluk Sola Bofukan 480. Consider the following statements. 1. Joymoti Kovari was the wife of Tai Ahom Prince Gadapani II. Sulikfa's soldiers brought Jemati to Jeringa Pathar and punished her. 3. In honor of the memory of Joymoti, Rudra Singha built the Joysagar tank at Sibsagar. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer. D. 1, 2 and 3481. What was the Ahom name of Gadadhar Singha? Answer. A. Supatva 482. Supatva, Gadadhar Singha belonged to the Answer. C. Tumkhunja clan 483. Which of the following Ahom king initiated a land measurement scheme for the first time? Answer. C. Gadadhar Singha 484. Which Ahom king built the temple at the island of Umananda for tantric worship? Answer. D. Gadadhar Singha 485. The temple of Umananda is associated with which deity? Answer. A. Shiva 486. Who built the mosque at Haho, popularly known as Pora Makkah? Answer. A. Shujauddin Muhammad Shah 487. Pora Makkah at Haho is associated with Answer. D. Ghiyasuddin Aulia. The Dargah was built in memory of Sultan Ghiyasuddin Aulia, 488. In which year the Battle of Attackuli was fought? A. Answer. C. 1682-489. What is named the final battle between Ahoms and Mughals? Or the last battle in the year 1682 which ended the long-drawn Ahom-Mughal conflict was Answer. B. Battle of Attackuli 490. The last battle between the Ahoms and the Mughals was fought at Answer. D. Attackuli 1682-491. Who was the Ahom king during the Battle of Attackuli? Answer. A. Gadadhar Singha 492. Who was Ahom's war leader in the Battle of Attackuli? Answer. C. Dihinja Alan Babarwa 493. Which one is incorrect about the Battle of Attackuli? Answer. D. Mir Jumla was the commander-in-chief of Mughal army in that battle. Mansa Khan III was commander-in-chief of the Mughal army, 494. Dhodar Ali was constructed by Answer. D. Gadadhar Singh 495. Two Ahom kings were known as Bura Raja. One was Pratap Singha and the other was? Answer. D. Gadadhar Singha 496. Which of the following Ahom king mobilized some Dhods or lazy people to construct the Dhodar Ali? Answer. A. Gadadhar Singha 85, 497. Who was known as Laikova before he became the king of Ahom kingdom? Answer B. Rudra Singha 498. Solal Gohaing administered which of the following regions? Answer C. Nagon and Charidwar region 499. Which of the following Ahom king planned an invasion of Bengal? Answer A. Rudra Singha 500. Which Ahom king hoped to make the Ahom kingdom as one of the powerful kingdoms of India? Answer B. Rudra Singha 501. Which Ahom king created the post Besbarua? Answer B. Rudra Singha 502. Which of the following Ahom king created positions like Kotoki, Khond, Doloi etc.? Answer B. Rudra Singha 503. Which Ahom king sent his men to Delhi to learn music? 86. Answer B. Rudra Singha 504. Which Ahom king sent Brahmin boys to Gurukuls for Vedic and Sanskrit studies? Answer B. Rudra Singha 505. Who introduced Mughal style dresses in the Ahom court? Answer B. Rudra Singha 506. In Ahom kingdom an officer was to direct music. Who was he? Answer B. Gayan Barwa 507. Who was the first Ahom king to celebrate Bihu in the courtyard of Assam? Answer B. Rudra Singha 508. The Silsko stone bridge of Sivasagar was contracted by the answer A. Ahoms 509. Who built the stone bridge over the river Nandang? Answer C. Rudra Singha 510. The Nandang stone bridge was built in answer C. arch style. 511. Who was the mother of Rudra Singha? Answer B. Joymoti 512. Which of the following is a man-made lake? Answer A. Joysagar Lake 513. Joysagar, one of the largest man-made lake, was built by answer A. Swargadeo Rudra Singha 514. From the reign of which king Sanskrit language was used in Ahom coins? Answer D. Rudra Singha 515. Who built Joydal on the bank of Joysagar tank? Answer A. Rudra Singha 88, 516. Name the Ahom king who sent the first emissary to Tripura? Answer B. Rudra Singha 517. Daring Rajvansavali was written by answer A. Suryagdi Devagna 518. Name the European merchant who had extensive salt trade in the Ahom kingdom. Answer A. Daniel Roche 519. Who shifted the Ahom capital from Gadgaon to Rangpur was answer D. Rudra Singha 520. Name the chief architect who planned and constructed the city of Rangpur? Answer A. Ghanishyam Kahanikar 521. Kabiraj Chakrabarti was the royal poet of which of the following Ahom king? Answer B. Rudra Sinha 522. The Ahom name of Swargadeo Sivasingha was 89. Answer D. Sutanfa 523. A regular gold currency was introduced in Ahom kingdom by answer A. Sivasingha 524. Two Ahom monarchs issued coins in Persian language. One was Rajeshwar Singha and the other was? Answer A. Sivasingha 525. Krishnaram Bhattacharya was brought from Bengal and was known by the name of Parbatiya Gosaing as he settled at answer A. Nilachal Hill 526. The Kamakhya temple is a Sakta temple dedicated to the mother goddess. Answer D. Kamakhya Devi 527. Who was the guru of Sivasingha? Answer B. Parbatiya Gosaing, Krishnaram Bhattacharya, 528. Who established an elaborate system of espionage to get accurate information of everything that was done or even spoken in all parts of his kingdom? 90. Answer D. Sivasingha 529. Hasti Vidyanava was composed during the reign of answer D. Sivasingha 530. Who was the composer of the Hasti Vidyanava? Answer A. Sukumar Baketh 531. The illustration work of the medieval Assamese text Hasti Vidyanava was done by __. Answer C. Dibar and Dosai 532. Which one is incorrect about the illustrated manuscript Hasti Vidyanava? Answer C. It was commissioned under the patronage of King Rudra Singha. 533. The Shiva Dole was constructed during the reign of answer D. Sivasingha 534. Name the Ahom king who left the throne by putting his wife on the throne. 91. Answer D. Sivasingha 535. Sivasingha declared his chief queen as Ba Raja. Who was she? Answer A. Fuleshwari 536. Who first introduced the cremation of the dead among the Ahoms? Answer B. Fuleshwari 537. Who assumed the name Pramateshwari Devi, one of the names of Durga? Answer B. Fuleshwari 538. Which queen forced Muamuriya and several other Gosaings to offer oblations to the goddess and smeared sacrificial blood on their foreheads? Answer: B. Fuleshwari 539. Which Ahom queen built the Sivadol in Sibsagar? Answer: B. Ambika 540. The tallest existing temple in Assam is Answer A. Siva temple at Sibsagar 541. Which Ahom king built the present existing Rangghar? Answer: C. Prametta Singha 542. The amphitheatre known as Rangghar at Rangpur was built by Answer D. Prametta Singha 543. Which is considered as the oldest amphitheatre in Asia? Answer: C. Rangghar 544. What is the meaning of Rangpur? Answer: D. City of Entertainment 545. Which of the following Ahom king constructed the Basistha temple? Answer: C. Rajeshwar Singha 546. Which of the following Ahom king built the Karaing Ghar? Answer: A. Rajeshwar Singha 93, 547. During the reign of which of the following king the temple of Navagraha was built? Answer: A. Rajeshwar Singha 548. The tradition of Hajor's famous Bulbul birds fighting started from the reign of Answer A. Rajeshwar Singha 549. The present existing structure of the seven-storied palace, Karaing Ghar, of Gadgaon was built during the reign of Answer A. Rajeshwar Singha 550. Which Ahom king added 3 underground stories made of bricks and an indigenous type of cement to the 4-storied Talatal Ghar at Rangpur? Answer: A. Rajeshwar Singha. 51. Consider the following statements. 1. The Talatal Ghar is a place which was initially built as an army base. 2. It houses 2 secret tunnels and 3 floors below ground level which were used as exit routes during the Ahom Wars. 3. Rajeshwar Singha added 3 underground stories made of bricks and an indigenous type of cement to the 4-storied Talatal Ghar at Rangpur. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer: D. 1, 2 and 3, 94, 552. Which of the following temple was not constructed during the reign of Rajeshwar Singha? Answer: B. Bishnu Temple 553. Financial provision for the Sukreshwar temple was initiated by Answer: B. Rajeshwar Singha 554. Kuranganayani was an Answer: B. Ahom Queen, Manipuri Princess 555. Manipuri Princess Kuranganayani was married to the Ahom king, or named the Ahom monarch who was offered the hands of Kuranganayani, the daughter of Jayasingha, the Raja of Manipur? Answer: B. Rajeshwar Singha 556. Lata Kata Ran was fought during the reign of Answer B. Rajeshwar Singha 557. What was the purpose of the famous Lata Kata Ran? Answer: B. Making a road by cutting the forest tree, creeper etc. 95, 558. Who was the first person to make a survey the river Brahmaputra during the Ahom reign? Answer: B. Renal. Major James Renal traced Brahmaputra in 1765, 559. Chakarifati Buranji was written by Answer C. Numali Borgohain 560. Who examined and burned Buranjis for objectionable content? Answer: C. Kirtichandra Babarwa 561. The Great Rudra Sagar tank was excavated during the reign of Answer A. Lakshmi Singha 562. The first phase of Muamuriya rebellion was started in the year Answer C. 1769, 563. The Muamuriya rebellion was started during the reign of which of the following king? Answer A. Lakshmi Singha 564. Which of the following is not a cause of the Muamuriya rebellion? 96. Answer D. The reorganization of the pack system from Got to Keel. 565. Power struggle between the Muamuriyas, the adherents of the Momara Sattura, and the Ahom kings was known as Answer C. Muamuriya Rebellion 566. The main weapons used by the Muamuriya rebels were Answer B. Bamboo staves 567. Which uprising was called as Chekani Kubur Ron in the history of Assam? Answer C. Muamuriya Rebellion 568. In which year did the Muamuriya revolt take place for the second time? Answer B. 1782, 569. The second phase of Muamuriya rebellion started during the reign of which of the following king? Answer D. Gaurinath Singha, 97, 570. The third phase of Muamuriya revolt started in the year? Answer B. 1786, 571. The capital of Assam was shifted from Sivasagar, Rangpur, to Jorhat in Answer A. 1794, 572. Which Ahom king shifted the capital from Sibsagar to Jorhat in 1794 due to the attack of Muamuriyas? Answer A. Gaurinath Singha 573. Under what circumstances the Ahom king Gaurinath Singh left the capital and fled to Guwahati? Answer A. Due to the attack of Mohammadias 574. Who restored Rangpur to Gaurinath Singha in 1794? Answer A. Thomas Welch 575. In which year did Captain Welch come to Assam? Answer D. 1792 AD, 98, 576. As recorded by Captain Thomas Welch, the Assam Patra Mantris was composed of Answer D. 5 ministers 577. Which rebellion in Assam history is called Dandua Dro, the Dandiya Revolution? Answer C. The rebellion of Hadatta and Bira Datta 578. Who were the prominent leaders of the Dandua Dro, the Dandiya Revolution? Answer D. Hara Datta and Bira Datta 579. Who was the Baufukan of the Ahom kingdom during the Dandua Dro, the Dandiya Revolution, in 1795? Answer A. Kalia Bhomara Baufukan 580. Who received the title Pratap Balab? Answer A. Kalia Bhomara 581. Who conferred the title Pratap Balab to Kalia Bhomara Baufukan for suppressing the rebellion of Haradatta? Answer B. Kamaleshwar Singha, 99, 582. Who was the last Moamoria leader of the Moamoria rebellion? Answer C. Sarbanand Singha 583. Sarbanand Singha was the king of Answer D. The Matax 584. What was the capital of Matax? Answer A. Bengmara, now Tinsukia district 585. Bharat Singha was the king of Answer D. The Matax 586. Moamoria rebellion ended during the reign of which Ahom king? Answer B. Kamaleshwar Singha 587. By which name Kamaleshwar Singha was known before he became the king? Answer A. Kinaram Gohaing 588. The person credited with resolving the Ahom conflict was Answer A. Purnananda Buragohaing 589. The river that flows through the town of Jorhat was dug at the behest of Premier Purnananda Buragohaing in the year Answer A. 1801-590. The Buragohaing in Ahom kingdom acted as Answer D. Prime Minister. 191. In which year did the Burmese first invade Assam? Answer D. 1817-592. The Burmese first invaded Assam during the reign of Answer D. Chandrakanta Singha 593. Who invited the Burmese to Assam? Answer B. Badan Chandra Bafukan 594. Badan Chandra Bafukan was the governor of Answer C. Kamrup 595. Badan Bafukan was assassinated by Answer B. Roop Singh Subedar 596. Who was the commander of Burmese in the first Burmese invasion of Assam? Answer B. Mahaminla Minkong 597. The second Burmese invasion took place in the year Answer C. 1819-598. Who was the commander of Burmese during the second Burmese invasion of Assam? Answer D. Alungmingi 599. Which Assamese man guided the Burmese during their second invasion of Assam? Answer C. Momai Barwa 600. Which Ahom princess was offered to the Burmese monarch Bodope for the royal harem? 102. Answer C. Hima Adeo, also known as Bhamo Adeo, 601. Oldest amphitheatre of Asia is Answer Erang Ghar 602. Rikhwan ceremony was performed by the Answer B. Ahom 603. Who is considered to be the greatest poet of the Ahom period? Answer C. Kaviraj Chakravarti 604. The advisory board of Ahom kingdom was constituted of how many ministers? Answer A. 2 ministers 605. Where is the traditional burial site of the Ahom kings located? Answer C. Karedeo 606. What was the shape of the Ahom coins? Answer C. Octagonal 607. The coins used during Ahom reign was known as 103. Answer B. Takka 608. The standard Ahom coin takka weighted Answer D. 96 rupees, a tola 2/5 of an ounce, 609. The post that was held by the heir apparent to the throne during the Ahom reign was known as Answer B. Charangia Raja 610. Which Ahom king had the shortest reign, 21 days? Answer C. Samaguriya Roja 611. For approximately how many years the Ahoms ruled Assam? Answer C. 600 years 612. Which one of the following was not being witnessed during the Ahom reign? Answer B. Beggar, due to self-dependent society 613. Who is responsible for income, expenditure and land accounting during the Ahom reign? 104. Answer. Ekakati 614. In Ahom kingdom, who was the special category that performs the responsibility of bringing correspondence? Answer. D. Katiki 615. By what name M.D. Ismail Siddique is better known in Assam history? Answer. A. Bagh Hazarika 616. Bhitaral Phukan was the commander of. Answer. B. Household troop that guarded the king. 617. During the Ahom period, what was the class of people called, who used prepare the birth charts of the Ahom kings and officials and predict the future of the Ahom kingdom? Answer. D. Doloi 618. On what did the Ahom rulers traveled from one place to another? Answer. B. On swing 619. During the Ahom reign, 2 officers were appointed to oversee the state's forest resources. They were 105. Answer. B. Habial Barwa and Katkatia Barwa 620. During the Ahom rule, over 20 packs there was an officer called Bora, over 100 packs there was an officer called Sakia, and over 1000 packs there was an officer called Hazarika. What is the name of the officials above 6000? Answer. B. Phukan 621. The Marangi Khova Gohaing was the governor of Answer. C. Marangi Province 622. Marangi Khova Gohaing administered which of the following region? Answer. B. Region west of the Dhansiri River and contiguous to the Naga people 623. Who was the provincial ruler of border areas during the reign of Ahom? Answer. D. Deshalia Gohaing 624. What does it mean to say Bilat during the rule of Ahom? Answer. C. A region which is enjoyed by the elders as per the convenience. 625. Who was Bisanong? Answer. C. A Singh Phao chief 626. According to Ahom legends, Kan Lung and Kan Lai was the grandson of? Answer. B. Leng Don 627. Ratnamala, compiled by Purushottama Vidyavagish, is a work on. Answer. D. Grammar 628. Who wrote Tungkhugia Buranji? Answer. B. Srinath Dwar Borbarua 629. The independent state of Pratapgarh, modern-day Patharkandi, was established by. Answer. A. Malik Pratap Raja 630. Who secretly informed the British about the Rangpur attack plan of Dhananjoy Borgohain? Answer. C. Sadia Khova Gohaing. 631. The Third Burmese invasion took place in the year. Answer. D. 1821-632. The period of Burmese is locally called as. Answer. B. Mana Din 633. Which of the following was installed as the king of Ahom kingdom in 1821 CE by the Burmese? Answer. A. Jogeshwar Singha 634. Which king of Ahom dynasty was known as a puppet ruler? Answer. A. Jogeshwar Singha 635. The Battle of Magadh was fought in the year. Answer. A. 1822, on the 19th of April 1822 AD, 636. The Battle of Magadh was fought between. Answer. D. The Burmese and the Assamese soldiers. Assamese soldiers were led by Chandrakanta Singha, 637. The Battle of Hadira Chowki was fought in the year. Answer. A. 1822, on the 21st of June 1822, 638. The Battle of Hadira Chowki was fought between. Answer. D. The Burmese and the Ahom 639. Which Ahom king created 3 mels or estates, which were called Maju Mel, Mahi Mel and Saru Mel? Answer. C. Purandar Singha 640. In which of the following year tea was discovered in Assam for the first time in India? Answer. B. 1823-641. Tea was discovered of the first time in India by or who discovered tea plants in Assam in the year 1823? Answer. C. Robert Bruce 642. Who was the last king of the Ahom kingdom? Answer. C. Purandar Singha 643. The Ahoms established their last capital at 109. Answer. B. Jorhat 644. Which one of the following is in the correct chronological order of Ahom dynasty? Answer. B. Sukfa, Sudangfa, Suhungmung, Supatfa 645. Which one of the following is in the correct chronological order of Ahom dynasty? Answer. C. Prametta Singha, Rajeshwar Singha, Lakshmi Singha, Gaurinath Singha 646. Match the following. Answer. C. 1b, 2a, 3d, 4c 647. Arrange the following events in chronological order. 1. Battle of Atakhuli 2. Battle of Sareghat 3. Treaty of Asura Ali 4. Treaty of Ghilzari Ghat. Answer. C. 3, 4, 2, 1648. Arrange the following events in chronological order. 1. Patharughat Raimail. 2. Phulaguri Dhawa. 3. First Burmese invasion of Assam. 4. Treaty of Yandabu. 110. Answer B. 3, 4, 2, 1649. The Treaty of Badarpur was signed between David Scott and Kachari King Govinda Chandra in the year. Answer D. 1824-650. The First Anglo-Burmese War was fought in the year. Answer A. 1824-651. Which war was the longest and most expensive war in British Indian history? Answer A. First Anglo-Burmese War 652. Which was the peace treaty that ended the First Anglo-Burmese War? Answer A. The Treaty of Yandabo 1826-653. Which of the following is considered as the mark of the end of the medieval period of Assam history? Answer A. The Treaty of Yandabo 1826-111. APSC Prelims Previous Year Questions from Medieval History of Assam, 12th-13th century CE to 1826, 654. Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in the APSC Prelims 2000. Answer B. 14th century 655. The illustration work of the medieval Assamese text Hastividyanava was done by APSC Prelims 2000. Answer C. Sukumar Baket 656. Gohain Kamal Ali, constructed by Gohain Kamal from Koch Bihar to Narayanpur, was constructed during the reign of APSC Prelims 2000. Answer A. Nara Narayan 657. Ranghar was constructed during the period of APSC Prelims 2000. Answer D. Pramatta Singha 658. The Kachari king to assume the title Pratap Narayan after defeating the Ahom was APSC Prelims 2001. Answer A. Indra Narayan 659. Who among the following literatures did not receive the patronage of Koch King Narnarayan? APSC Prelims 2001, 112. Answer D. Madhav Kandali 660. Fatihar-i Ibriya was written by APSC Prelims 2001. Answer D. Shihabuddin Tolish 661. Who among the following is the first Assamese translator of Ramayana? APSC Prelims 2015. Answer B. Madhab Kandali 662. The Barak or Surma river of Kachhar originates from APSC Prelims 2017. Answer C. Manipur 663. The first Ahom monarch to assume the Hindu title Swaga Narayan was APSC Prelims 2000. Answer D. Suhungmang 664. The title of overall administration head of Lower Assam region during the Ahom rule was APSC Prelims 2000, 2013. Answer A. Bofukan 665. The last independent Ahom king was APSC Prelims 2000, 2013. Answer D. Purandar Singha 666. Sadia Khova Gohain was a APSC Prelims 2000, 2013. Answer C. Frontier Officer 667. The king nicknamed as Bhagaraja was APSC Prelims 2000. Answer C. Suramfa 668. Maidams are APSC Prelims 2000. Answer A. Elaborate burial tanks of Ahom nobility are Kings 669. The officer of the Babarwa and Bafukan is created by APSC Prelims 2001. Answer C. Pratap Singha 670. Rudra Singha built the Ranghar with bamboo and wood. It was rebuilt by brick and mortar by APSC Prelims 2001. Answer B. Pramatta Singha. Chid Bofukan was in the leadership of APSC Prelims 2001. Answer A. Rajmantri Atanu Borgohain Dihingja Raja 672. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed in 1826 between APSC Prelims 2000, 2013. Answer B. East India Company and the Burmese. APSC Main Previous Year Questions from Medieval History of Assam, 12th-13th century CE to 1826. Examine the impact of Neo-Vaishnavite movement in Assam. APSC Main 2014. Who was known as Bamuni Komwa? APSC Main 2016. Discuss the pack and keel system of Ahom administration. Can this be considered as the foundation ground from the modern panchayat system? APSC Main 2014. Modern History of Assam, 1826 to 1947. Colonial Assam, 1826 to 1947, 673. In which year the British Crown invaded Assam? Answer C. 1826-674. In which year the Treaty of Yandabu was signed? Answer A. 1826, the 24th of February 675. Yandabo Treaty was signed between East India Company and the answer, B. King of Burma 676. Who was the monarch of Burma at the time of Yandabo Treaty? Answer, B. Zhagang Min 677. Who among the following signed the Treaty of Yandabu on behalf of the East India Company? Answer, A. Major General Sir Archibald Campbell 678. Yandabo Treaty was signed by, answer, B. Archibald Campbell and Mahamin Hla Kya Hatin 679. As per Yandabo Treaty, which of the following is correct? Answer, D. Both A and B are correct 680. When did the British annex Assam? Answer, D. 1826-681. Who was the first British Commissioner of Assam? Answer, A. David Scott 116-682. Which one is incorrect about the undivided Golpara district? Answer, D. Northeastern Rangpur was constituted as Golpara district in the year 1947. 683. Which of the following district was not a part of the ancient undivided Kamrup district? Answer, A. Golpara 684. Who was the first Chief Commissioner of Assam? Answer, A. Archdale Earl 685. When was the first rebellion? When was the first rebellion in Assam against the British rule held? Answer, B. 1828-686. Who was the first Assamese to fight against British? Answer, D. Gomdhar Komwar 687. The first rebellion against the British rule in Assam in 1828 was led by answer, C. Gomadhar Komwar 688. In which of the following year Lower Assam was permanently annexed by the British? Answer, B. 1828 AD 689. In which year the Kachari Kingdom was annexed by British? Answer, B. 1828-690. In 1828, Kachari Kingdom was annexed under which of the following doctrine? Answer, C. Doctrine of Lapse 691. Who was the ruler of North Kachar before the annexation of the British? Answer, C. Tularam Senapati 692. The first Khasi chief to declare war against the British was, answer, A. Tiro Singh 693. In 1830, who among the following attempted to organize a confederacy of Assam tribes in order to wrest back the country from the hands of East India Company? Answer, C. Piali Bafukan 694. In which year Dhananjoy Burhagohain, Piali Fukan and Jiuram Medhi rose a revolt against British occupation in Assam? Answer, A. 1830-695. Piali Fukan was hanged in the year answer, B. July 26, 1830 696. The year 1836 was crucial in case of Assamese language and literature because answer, A. Bengali language was imposed over Assamese as the British took over Assam, 697. Kachar was placed under the Commissionerate of Dakcha in answer, A. 1836-698. When was the first tea garden established in India? Answer, C. 1837-699. Where was the first tea garden established in India? Answer, B. Chabua, Dibrugarh 700. Upper Assam was annexed to British Empire in the year answer, C. 1838-701. When was the Assam Tea Company established? Answer, D. 1839-702. Who was called the first tea planter of Assam? Answer, A. Maniram Dewan 703. Who was the first Indian to grow tea commercially? Answer, C. Maniram Dewan 704. When did the Assam Tea Company begin its commercial production? Answer, C. 1840-705. Which one is correct about the tea production in Assam during the colonial period of Assam? Answer, C. First tea garden was established in Chabua, Dibrugarh, 120. First tea garden was established in 1837 and the Assam Tea Company began commercial production in 1840, 706. When was the region of Mattak and Sadia annexed by British? Answer D 1842707. The first Assamese periodical was first published by American Baptist Missionaries in the year. Answer B 1846708. The first Assamese magazine Orunodoi was published in the year. Answer B 1846709. The association Gyan Pradhaini Sabha was initiated by. Answer A. Anandaram Dekial Phukan and Gunabhiram Barwa 710. Who among the following was sent to Andaman for the plan to bring Kandar Peshwar to the throne? Answer D. Both A and C 711. In Assam, the period from 1826 to 1858 CE is known as. Answer C. Company Raj 121. Following act transferred power from the English East India Company to the British Crown? Answer A. The Government of India Act 1858 713. Who was the leader of the 1857 revolt in Assam? Answer C. Maniram Dewan 714. Subedar Sheikh Bhikun and Subedar Noor Muhammad is known for. Answer B. Joining the conspiracy to bring Kandar Peshwar to the throne. 715. Who was popular among the people of Upper Assam as Kalita Raja? Answer C. Maniram Dewan 716. When was Maniram Dewan publicly hanged for his involvement in the rebellion against the British? Answer the 26th of February 1858 717. Who was hanged publicly with Maniram Dewan? Answer B. Piali Barwa 122 718. Which of the following was the correct reason for hanging Maniram Dewan? Answer B. He was identified as the kingpin of the plot to bring Kandar Peshwar to the throne. 719. Which of the following is incorrect about Maniram Dewan? Answer C. Maniram Dewan was the only martyr in India who was hanged during the phase of Sepoy Mutiny. 720. Which one of the following sites is linked to the Sepoy Mutiny? Answer C. Northbrook Gate 721. The Waste Land Rule was passed under which one of the following commissioners? Answer C. Francis Jenkins 722. The first peasant uprising in Assam against the British rule was? Answer A. Fulaguri Dhawa 723. India's first peasant movement against the British rule was? Answer C. Fulaguri Dhawa 724. The Fulaguri uprising took place in the year. Answer C. 1861725. The reason behind the peasants of Nagaon gathered at Fulaguri for a Raj Mel, People's Assembly, was? Answer D. To protest against taxes on betel nut and pan, tamul, pan, 726. What was the name of the British officer who was killed during Fulaguri uprising? Answer C. Lieutenant Singer 727. The first oil well of Asia was drilled at. Answer A. Digboy 728. The first oil well at Digboy was dug in the year. Answer A. 1866729. In which year the first dictionary in Assamese language was published? Answer B. 1867. The first Assamese dictionary was compiled by Dr. Miles Bronson, an American Baptist missionary. 730. Which of the following period is called the Dark Age of Assamese language? Answer D. 1836-1873-731. Assam became Chief Commissioner's province in the year. Answer B. 1874-732. Assam was tagged with which province during the colonial rule? Answer C. Sylhet 733. When was Sylhet added to the Chief Commissioner's province in Assam region? Answer B. 1874-734. What was the capital of the province Eastern Bengal and Assam? Answer D. Dakcha 735. In which year Assam region was separated from Bengal territory and was put under a chief commissioner? Or when was the Assam region separated from the Bengal presidency? Answer D. 1874-736. Which of the following is the first political association of colonial Assam? Answer B. Sarbajanik Sabha of Jorhat 737. The Jorhat Sarbajanik Sabha was founded in the year. Answer A. 1884-738. The association which first created a stir against the British rule among the Assamese was the Jorhat Sarbajanik Sabha, which was founded by or who was the founder of Jorhat Sarbajanik Sabha in 1884? Answer A. Jagannath Baror 739. Who was the first Assamese to join the Indian National Congress during its second session held in 1886? Answer D. Nobin Chandra Bordoloi 740. In which year oil was discovered in Digboy? Answer C. 1889-741. India and Asia obtained its first refinery in Digboy in the year 126. Answer D. 1901-742. When did the peasant revolt of Patharughat take place? Answer A. The 28th of January 1894 743. Where did the Patharughatta Ron take place? Answer D. Daring 744. Patharughatta ran. A battle of Patharughat was the consequence of Answer B. Enhanced revenue collection by British through tax 745. Which of the following is known as Assam's Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer B. Patharughatta ran 746. What was the precursor of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Answer D. Oxomia Bhaksa Unnati Zadhini Zobha 747. In which of the following year Oxomia Bhaksa Unnati Zadhini Zobha was formed? Answer B. 1888-748. Who was the first secretary of Oxomia Bhaksa Unnati Zadhini Zobha? Answer D. Shivram Sharma Bordoloi 749. Which of following marked the dawn of Romanticism in Assamese literature? Answer C. Jonaki 750. In which year Assamese magazine Jonaki was first published? Answer B. 1889-751. Who was the first editor of the Assamese magazine Jonaki? Answer D. Chandra Kumar Agarwala 752. In 1897, who translated the Bargaon copper plate of Ratnapala? Answer A. Dr. Hoemle. 753. Assam Association was formed in the year. Answer B. 1903, 128, 754. Who formed Assam Association? Who was the first secretary of Assam Association? Answer D. Manik Chandra Barwa 755. Who was the first elected president of the Assam Association? Answer B. Raja Prabhat Chandra Barwa 756. Where did the first session of the Assam Association held? Answer C. Dibrugarh 757. Which one is incorrect about the Assam Association? Answer D. Gopinath Bordoloi was the founding president of Assam Association. Prabhat Chandra Barwa was elected as the president, Jagannath Barwa was vice president, and Manik Chandra Barwa as elected as general secretary when Assam Association was formed. 758. From which of the following event peasants from East Bengal began settling down in the riverine tracts Char of the Brahmaputra Valley as encouraged by the British to increase agricultural production? Answer B. Partition of Bengal 1905-759. In 1905, the Swadeshi movement in Assam was led by Answer D. Ambikagiri Raichodhari 760. The Assam Association was replaced with the name of Answer, a provincial congress organization 761. Assam Chhatra Sanmilan was formed on Answer C. December 25, 1916 762. The first session of Assam Chhatra Sanmilan was held in Answer A. Guwahati 763. Who was the first president of the first session of Assam Chhatra Sanmilan? Answer A. Lakshminath Besbarua 764. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded in Answer C. December 1917 765. First conference of Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at Answer D. Sivasagar 130 766. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Answer C. Padmanath Gohaing Barwa 767. The headquarter of Assam Sahitya Sabha is situated at Answer A. Jorhat. Assam Sahitya Sabha was formed in December 1917 and its headquarter is in Jorhat 768. When was the Dyachi system introduced in Assam province? Answer C. 1919. A Dyachi is a government of two men. In Assam, certain responsibilities such as agriculture, health, education, and local government were transferred to elected ministers. 769. Who was a minister of Assam under the Dyachi system? Answer A. Pramod Chandra Datta 770. Who was not an Indian minister under the Dyachi scheme? Answer C. Gopinath Bordoloi 771. The first ever delegation of Assamese leaders to the 1921 Nagpur session of the Indian National Congress was led by Answer D. Nabeen Chandra Bordoloi 772. Assam was given the status of a province under a governor in the year Answer B. 1921-773. When did Mahatma Gandhi first visit Assam? Answer D. 1921. 4 times Gandhi visited Assam: 1921, 1926, 1934 and in 1946, 774. Where and when did Gandhiji first visit Assam? Answer A. Golakganj on the 18th of August 1921, 775. In which of the following year Mahatma Gandhi didn't visit Assam? Answer C. 1929, 776. When did the Assam Association merge with the Assam Provincial Congress Committee? Or, when was Assam Provincial Congress Committee formed? Answer D. 1921, 777. Who was the first selected president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee? Answer B. Chhabilal Upadhyaya, 778. Who was the first elected president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee? Answer B. Kuladhar Chaliha, 779. First woman in Assam to be killed for participating in the non-cooperation movement was Answer A. Mongdi, 780. Who was the first woman martyr in the history of Assam's freedom struggle? Answer D. Malati Mem, Mongdi, 781. Who was Malati Mem alias Mungri? Answer C. First woman martyr of Assam, 782. Who among the following was called Sarojini of Assam by Gandhiji? Answer C. Bhanumati Talukdar, 783. Who was popularly known as Volantrini by? Answer C. Bhanumati Talukdar, 784. Who had conferred Gopinath Bordoloi with the title Lokapriya? Answer A. Jairam Das Daulatram, 785. In which year Gopinath Bordoloi was arrested for taking part in the freedom movement? Answer D. 1922, 786. When was the Swaraj Party formed in Assam and who took the leadership? Answer C. The 25th of July 1923 by Tarun Ram Phukan, 787. Who was the chief president of the Swaraj Party in Assam? Answer A. Tarun Ram Phukan, 788. Who among the following was the first leader from Assam to be elected to the Congress Working Committee? Answer B. Tarun Ram Phukan, 789. In Guwahati, the 41st Inc. session was held at A. Pandav Nagar, Pandu. Answer A. Pandav Nagar, Pandu, 790. Assam hosted Indian National Congress session for the first time at Pandu in the year. Answer B. 1926, 791. The opening song of the Pandu session of the Indian National Congress, Aji Bondo Ki Sonda, was composed by Answer D. Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhary, 792. Who founded the Sangrakshani Sabha? Answer D. Ambikagiri Rai Chaudhary, 793. In which year O More Apona Desh was officially adopted as the state song of Assam? Answer A. 1927. 93. In which year O More Apona Desh was officially adopted as the state song of Assam? Answer A. 1927, 794. Who among the following from Assam joined the famous Dandi March? Answer A. Leeladhar Barwa, 795. Who organized Mrityu Bahini in Assam for fighting against the British during India's independence movement? Answer C. Pushpalata Das, 796. Which one is the only Assamese who represented India in the Round Table Conference held at London in 1930? Answer A. Chandradhar Barwa, 797. All Assam Rayot Sabha was formed in the year. Answer A. 1933, 798. All Assam Rayot Sabha was formed in 1933 under the guidance of Answer A. Nabeen Chandra Bardoloi, 799. Provincial self-autonomy was introduced to Assam in the year. Answer A. 1935, 800. Which of the following act made Assam an autonomous province? Answer A. 1935 Government of India Act, 801. In which year Sir Shadullah's ministry was formed? Answer C. 1937, 136, 802. Who was the chief minister of Assam during the Japanese invasion in India? Answer A. Sir Syed Muhammad Sadullah, 803. The Assam Public Service Commission came into effect on Answer C. the 1st of April 1937, 804. The Tribal League in Assam was founded in the year. Answer D. 1937, 805. Who was the only representative from Assam as well as Northeast India to the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Syed Muhammad Sadullah, 806. Who was a cabinet minister in the Gopinath Bordoloi's ministry in 1938? Answer C. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, 807. Kaniklata Barwa became the first martyr of which one of the following national movements? Answer C. Quit India Movement, 1942, 137, 808. During the Quit India movement, Kanaklata Barwa and Mukunda Kakati were shot dead by the British police at Ansar. A. Gopar 809. Kushal Komwar was hanged in the charge of Ansar C conspiracy and train derailment near Sarupatha, Golaghat. In the 15th of June 1943, Kushal Komwar was hanged in Jorhat Jail, 810. Who was the only martyr in India to be hanged during the Quit India movement? Answer: D. Kushal Komwar 811. He alone can be a true satyagrahi who knows the art of living and dying. The above statement of Mahatma Gandhi is related with answer D. Kushal Komwar 812. Bhogeswari Phukanani died during the Ansar Satradhikar, Banamali Dev Goswami 813. Who was the governor of Assam during the Quit India movement? Answer: C. Andrew Gorlake-Lore 138 814. The Satradhikar who played an active role in social reform and freedom movement of India was answer A. Oniasya Satradhikar, Pitambar Dev Goswami. Oniasya Satradhikar Pitambar Dev Goswami was a social reformer and a freedom fighter. 815. Shanti Sena force was formed in Assam before the answer D. Quit India movement 816. Who among the following was the governor of Assam at the time of India's independence? Answer A. Sir Akbar Haidari 817. Who was the last governor of pre-independent Assam? Answer B. Sir Akbar Haidari 818. In which of the following year Sylhet was transferred to East Pakistan? Answer B. 1947 819. Which district was separated from Assam and given to Pakistan in 1947? Answer C. Sylhet 139. APSC Prelims Previous Year Questions from Modern History of Assam Colonial Assam, 1826 to 1947, 820. Who did not belong to Jonaki Yug? APSC Prelims 1998. Answer D. None of the above 821. The first rebellion against the British rule in Assam in 1828 was led by APSC Prelims 2000. Answer C. Gomdhar Komwar 822. Which district was separated from Assam and given to Pakistan? APSC Prelims 2000. Answer C. Sylhet 823. Under the Mountbatten Plan, a referendum in Assam was to be held in the district of APSC Prelims 2000, 2013. Answer D. Sylhet 824. A pioneer lady responsible for forming the Mrityu Bahini in Assam in connection with the freedom struggle of the country as APSC Prelims 2000. Answer B. Pushpalata Das 825. The Shanti Sena force was formed in Assam during the independence movement before the commencement of the APSC Prelims 2013. Answer A. Quit India Movement 826. When was Assam Provincial Congress formed? APSC Prelims 2013. Answer B. 1921827. The author of Asomia Sahityar Buranji is APSC Prelims 2013. Answer C. Debendranath Bezbarua 828. The Assam region was separated from the Bengal Presidency in APSC Prelims 2013. Answer A. 1874829. The British-made aerodrome at Barnagar, Sarbhok, was set ablaze under the leadership of Brajanath Samar in APSC Prelims 2013. Answer A. August 1942 830. Who was hanged with Maniram Dewan? APSC Prelims 2017. Answer B. Pioli Barwa 831. Year 1894 is related to APSC Prelims 2017. Answer C. Patharughat Revolt 832. 1836 CE was crucial in case of Assamese language and literature because APSC Prelims 2017. Answer B. Bengali was introduced as an official language of Assam. APSC main previous year questions from Modern History of Assam Colonial Assam 1826 to 1947, 833. Assam became a constituent state of India in the year. Answer D. 1950. 33. Assam became a constituent state of India in the year. Answer D. 1950834. Who was the first Chief Minister of Assam? Answer C. Gopinath Bordoloi 142 835. After the demise of the first Chief Minister of Assam, Gopinath Bordoloi in 1950, the second Chief Minister was Answer BBR Medhi 836. Guwahati University was established in the year. Answer B. 1948837. The Assam Public Service Commission APSC regulation was promulgated in exercise of the powers in which year? Answer C. 1951838. The Northeastern Frontier Railway NFR was set up in the year. Answer A. 1958839. Assam Language Bill was passed in the year. Answer C. 1960-840. Which state was separated from Assam in 1963? Answer A. Nagaland, 143-841. Rani Gadula, a famous character of Indian independence movement, belonged to which tribe? Answer B. The Naga tribes of Assam, 842. In which year the All Bodo Students Union, ABSU, was formed? Answer B. 1967-843. When was Mizoram separated from Assam? Answer B. 1972-844. In which year the capital of Assam was shifted from Shillong to Dispur? Answer D. 1973-845. In 1973 the capital of Assam was shifted from Shillong to Dispur. Who was the chief minister of Assam at that time? Answer A. Sarat Chandra Singha, 846. In which year the Assam movement started? A. 1947. Answer B. 1979, 847. The anti-foreign campaigns were spearheaded by the All Assam Students Union, which was led by 144. Answer A. Prafulla Kumar Mehant, 848. Census work in Assam was not conducted in the year. Answer B. 1981-849. The historic Assam Accord was signed on. Answer A. the 15th of August 1985, 850. A committee to implement Clause 6 of the Assam Accord was led by. Answer A. Justice B. K. Samar, 851. Which party came to power in Assam in 1985? Answer B. Assam Gana Parishad, 852. Which of the following cultural institution was born as a result of the Assam Accord? Answer D. Srimanta Sankar Dev Kalakshetra, 853. Which refinery was established due to Assam Accord? Answer C. Numaligad, 854. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of signing the Assam Accord? Answer D. Rajiv Gandhi.